Okay, if I take a look at this problem, okay, what is probably a state will not be hit by any major hurricanes? So, let me see. Second vars, and we got Poisson CDF and Poisson PDF. PDF is when it's a single value. Um, in this case, the single value would be not hit 0. So I choose Poisson PDF. We want to put our mean in first. Now this one's a little bit weird. It says for the past 109 years, a certain state suffered 26 direct hits from major hurricanes. They're asking about a single year, so you need to find the average per year. Well, if we take the 26 divided by 109, that'd give us our mean. So 26 divided by 109. This is kind of a strange one. Normally you multiply the factors together. And then we put 0 in and press enter. And that's how they get that 0.7878. Okay, now this one, at least one major hurricane. That means one, two, three, on forever. So you do 1 minus this value. So you do 1 minus your second negative for the answer. And this would be 0.2122. Now they're asking here, is this 5% is kind of the cutoff. So if you got something less than 5%, it's considered unusual. So is this unusual? No. And then that gives us that. What is probably the state will be hit by at least 3 major hurricanes? Okay, at least 3. Let's think about that. At least 3. That means, so I'm going to get my tablet to work. There you go. Means 3, 4, on up forever. Well, whenever you go, and this is x is greater than or equal to 3, whenever you have the greater than or equal to, you rewrite it as 1 minus the probability of x is less than or equal to 1 less than this value, like that. So we're going to do 1 minus our Poisson CDF, our mean, and then we'll put 2 in. Okay, so 1 minus Poisson CDF, so second vars. Poisson CDF is cumulative. It goes from 0 up to whatever number. And so then we'll have our 26 divided by 109, comma, and I think we said 2, didn't we? Let's see, 2. Point 0019. Does this indicate that the 2004 hurricane season in the state was unusual? How in that world would I know that? I assume in 2004 that they must have been hit by 3 hurricanes in a single year. Oh, it's happened last year. And then 2004. Okay, last year would have been 2017, but we'll ignore that fact. Okay, I understand where they're going now. This is less than 5%, so yes, that would have been unusual. What is probably stated to be hit by at least 2 major hurricanes? Has happened a couple of years ago. At least 2. Well, if I think what that means, that means 2, 3, 4, on up forever. Again, whenever you got x is greater than or equal to a value, x is greater than or equal to 2, you rewrite it as 1 minus probability x is less than or equal to 1 less than this value, so 1. So we're going to do 1 minus Poisson CDF, and then whatever, number's here, which is 1. Okay, so 1 minus second vars Poisson CDF, 26 divided by 109 comma 1. 0.0243. 0.0243. Does this indicate 2005 hurricane season state was unusual? It is less than 5%, so that's unusual. So we say yes. And I guess that's the end of that question then.